प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स ट्रान्सपोर्ट डिपार्टमेंटाचे जे नवीन इनिशिएटिव्ह आम्ही आयजूच एक MOU एक्झिक्यूट केला ताच्या बद्दल आसा.
तुमकां खबर आसा ह्या डिपार्टमेंटाचेर जितली टिका जाता हालींचीच टिका म्हणजे सेंटिनल स्कीम. सगळ्यात महत्वाची जी गोष्ट आसा हो ट्रान्सपोर्ट डिपार्टमेंट गेली कित्येक वर्सां म्हजे कडेन आसा आनी हातूंत सुसूत्रता हाडपा खातीर हांवें मन वचून प्रयत्न केला आनी म्हजे बरोबर म्हाका जो आधार मेळ्ळो तो माननीय मुख्यमंत्री मनोहरजी पर्रीकरांचो. आनी त्या खातीरूच हें सगळें काम करता आसतनाच सुद्दां आनी नवे नवे स्कीम इम्प्लिमेंट करता आसतना सुद्दां जो रेवेन्यू जनरेशन जावपाक जाय तोही रेवेन्यू जनरेशन इज डन इन अ व्हेरी सिस्टमॅटीक मॅनर विदाउट मेकिंग प्रॉब्लेम टू द व्हेकल ओनर्स and also to the public. 90% of the people, why they started wearing the helmets? Only because we started this sentinel scheme. Hajer Tikadali, Honorable Chief Minister, during the assembly hours, requested me to make a statement that we will look into the matter regarding this scheme, and as per that, we have decided to appoint under the Secretary Transport as a chairman and different members of the committee which will be listed in a few days to review this full sentinel scheme. But our deaths have come down from 335 to 262. Still it is more in Goa because Goan roads are very good as compared to other roads. Tika jata, tika hi जावपाकूच जाय, but Goan's roads are very good because Goa is the first state where each road in the village which is known as rural road are started hot mixing in 2000 under the leadership of Honorable Chief Minister by me. That is the first state. If you go to other states, there are roads which are not even tarred. But it is only in Goa where each and every road in the villages are hot mixed. Forget about district road, major district roads, state highways and national highways. STA has approved demand of senior citizens. Senior citizens so demand आशिल्लो की 50% जे आसा ते आमकां भायर वता आसतना दिवचे, म्हणजे बेळगांव वता आसतना, कोल्हापूर वता आसतना, पुणा वता आसतना. सांगपाक खूब आनंद जाता की काल जी मिटींग STA कमिटीची जाली तांणी हें एप्रुवल आमकां दिल्लें आसा. डिपार्टमेंट हॅज मायग्रेटेड लेटेस्ट सॉफ्टवेअर सारथी for driving licenses, Mahan for vehicle registration and E-Trans for all permits. Entire hardware of the department has been upgraded at a cost of 3.5 crores in this financial year. Amchakaden rent cab licenses have been issued to new Goan operators and over 2,500 cabs have been converted into rent a cab, thus providing employment to youth and also enable them to legally rent out their cars. 100 electric buses we are bringing. We have already taken a decision to give this to NTPC. MOU will be executed with NTPC shortly. Similarly, charging station to be set up all over Goa, which will enable growth of e-rickshaws, e-bikes, help in Ankit Dale. When NTPC came to us, they were ready to supply these buses, 100 electric buses to us. And आम्ही एग्री जाले ताजेर एकूच हेचेर की तांणी चार्जिंग स्टेशन करता आसतना फक्त बशीची करपाची ना तर रिक्षा करपाची, पिकअप करपाची, देन ऑल म्हणजे इन्क्लुडिंग स्कूटर ऑल चार्जिंग स्टेशन्स आर टू बी मेड at different points, at different levels, all over Goa in the state.
Yes, I am from International Center for Automotive Technology. It's under NETIS, which is a NETRIP Implementation Society. So this is under Ministry of Heavy Industry and Public Enterprises, Government of India. So ICAT is one of the test agencies under rule number 126 of CMBR for type approval and homologation of the test vehicles. And we have been recognized by Ministry of Road Transport and Highways for setting up of pilot project for the inspection and certification centers.